to my channel. So guys, from my October videos, I was doing a lot of reviews for you guys and I wanted to do my giveaways. I'm glad you guys got involved, commented, went on my Instagram, which I don't promote a lot on my channel, and actually sign up to win those package. So you should be receiving those package very soon. So thank you guys for participating and being on my channel. I do appreciate it. So guys, now we're gonna go back to me making my videos, and the first thing I wanted to start out with is a hot oil treatment. Actually, if you've seen on my past few videos, I always show you guys that I hot oil my hair before I shampoo and do all my wash day routine. So I'm going to show you guys the hot oil I have been using, which is another DIY I've made recently. So the reason I made this hot oil is because I usually would henna my hair about once a month. I have been super busy where I have not had the chance to sit down and do that treatment and go through the whole process. So I decided to do something that's slightly close to it. So I made a hot oil treatment that's almost like the henna treatment. So if you guys can see for this, the light is pretty good on it. So I'm glad you guys can see this. It has most of the residue at the bottom, which is the henna and the 9-er powder. But you guys can also see these leaves, and these are curry leaves. So I made this with 2 oils and the powder and the leaf, and I wanted you guys to see that because that's what I've been using to treat my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this and how I use it on my hair. So guys, now that you've seen how I made this, I'm gonna have all the ingredients and the measurement for you in the description box, as well as a blog for you guys on my website to explain the benefit of each of these ingredients. So guys, go over there for more details. So that's why I wanted to show you this treatment, how I made it. It's been doing great for my hair and I absolutely love it. Plus I get to do this every week, even though it's not the full treatment. Because I'm doing it every week, my hair is doing so much better from it. I haven't done the full henna treatment in about 2 months, but I am gonna go back and doing that treatment, and I will still be using that hot oil treatment. This hot oil, I'm going to be using it 3 times a month, and then the 1 week that I'm actually using the henna on my hair, I won't be using that hot oil treatment. So just my hot oil DIY I wanted to show to you guys. It comes with so much benefit and it's great and easy to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you know when I have new videos coming out. And of course, give this video a thumbs up, leave all of your comments down below, and go over and watch my last video.